Today what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to show you how you guys can start a live stream. So first you have to download OBS, then go to the app, that is right here, and then you have to click on this, click on display capture, then name it something, and yeah, just go yeah, okay, so let me show you. If you click on display capture, make a name, click on OK, and then choose one, and then you are done with the screen. So now you can you have to click manage broadcast, and then make things, fix some things, so do some things, make the thumbnail, put a name, privacy, public, unlisted, or private. Mine is on private, and then this thing, and then click create broadcast. Oh, don't start streaming it. Click create broadcast. I do not need to do that, so now it's already streaming. It's at private at least. Okay, so now when you're done with all of this, click on create broadcast, and that will not start streaming it. And now you can go back to your channel. You'll see a new one in between shorts and posts right here, which is called live, of course. And if you click on it, it will show you the live stream, and then if you click on your live stream, you can see it says something, and then you just create your live stream. When you're back here, you're gonna click start streaming or manage broadcasting. Whatever. And yeah, that's how you do it. Bye guys, and Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Bye.